If you're trying to decide between Descript and ElevenLabs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down Descript versus ElevenLabs in a simple, practical way so you can quickly figure out which tool is better for your workflow. Both platforms use AI and both can help with voice-related content, but they are actually built for different types of creators and different use cases. So if you've been wondering which one gives you the best AI voices, which one is better for editing, and which one is worth your time and money, stay tuned. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Let's start with ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is mainly focused on creating highly realistic AI voices. If your priority is natural sounding speech, voice cloning, dubbing, or multilingual narration, this is the tool that stands out. A lot of creators use ElevenLabs for videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and voice applications because the voice quality is one of the biggest selling points. The speech sounds smooth, expressive, and much more human compared to many other AI voice tools. So if your content depends on the quality of the voice itself, ElevenLabs is usually the stronger choice. Now let's talk about Descript. Descript is much broader than just AI voice generation. It's an all-in-one audio and video editing platform that brings transcription, screen recording, AI voiceovers, podcast editing, and video editing into one workspace. That means if you want to edit your podcast or video simply by editing text, Descript makes that process very easy. Instead of working in separate tools for transcription, audio cleanup, and video edits, you can manage everything in one place. That is a huge advantage for creators who want a streamlined production workflow. So here's the easiest way to think about it. If your main goal is the best AI-generated voice quality, ElevenLabs is the better choice. If your main goal is to edit podcasts or videos using text, collaborate with a team, and keep your entire content production workflow in one tool, Descript is the better fit. In other words, ElevenLabs is more specialized, while Descript is more integrated. Another important difference is flexibility. ElevenLabs is especially useful if you need voice-first features. It's built for creators who care about narration, dubbing, and speech generation above everything else. Descript, on the other hand, is ideal if you need a tool that handles multiple steps of content creation from beginning to end. That includes recording, transcribing, editing, and producing finished content without switching between a bunch of different apps. If you're a YouTuber, course creator, or podcaster, your choice depends on your workflow. If you often need polished, realistic AI narration, ElevenLabs gives you a stronger voice engine. But if you spend more time editing interviews, podcasts, screen recordings, or talking head videos, Descript gives you more comprehensive editing capabilities. It's not just about voice quality, it's about what you actually need the software to do every day. So which one should most creators choose? For most people focused specifically on voice quality, ElevenLabs is the better choice. The voices are highly realistic, and the platform is built to make speech generation sound as natural as possible. But if you need an integrated audio and video editing solution with collaboration and text-based editing, Descript is the better all-in-one option. My final recommendation is simple. Choose ElevenLabs if your top priority is AI voice quality, cloning, dubbing, and narration. Choose Descript if you want an editing workspace that helps you create and refine full audio and video projects in one place. Both tools are excellent, but they solve different problems. If this comparison helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more tutorials, breakdowns, and software comparisons. And if you want, I can also make a deeper side-by-side comparison showing pricing, features, and best use cases for each tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.